Alright, so these are my test corrections for the Unit 5 AP Environmental Science test. So the first question that I missed was question 2, and it was about greenhouse gases, and it said, which is not a greenhouse gas? The correct answer is C, oxygen, because oxygen is vital to everything on Earth. That is not a greenhouse gas. In this diagram, it shows what greenhouse gases look like and global warming looks like. For question number 5, it talked about the layers of the atmosphere. I should have known this question, but the correct answer is that the stratosphere is different from the troposphere is because the concentration of ozone in the stratosphere is much higher than in the troposphere. When I took the test the first time, I did not understand question 6. It was talking about UV filtering, and it was one of the results of it. The correct answer is choice E, and it reduces the amount of water vapor in the troposphere. It would actually increase the amount of water vapor found in the troposphere. The reason why I missed question number 14 is I missed the word except. So the correct answer is C, thermal inversion. Question 15 was about acid deposition or acid rain. So it asked what was not caused by it. The correct answer is the leaching of soil nutrients. That was never covered in the PowerPoint. So that's why that is not caused by it. And in this diagram, you can see how acid rain in both dry and wet deposition occurs. So on the test, question 20 was about the Clean Air Act. I knew that the correct answer was lead, or E, but I changed it to greenhouse gases. I don't know why I changed it. I knew that lead was right. I just changed it because I thought it was wrong. So the question 24 was about the Kyoto Protocol, and it was not successful, or the statement that wasn't true was that countries that signed it are not working. They are actually working on trying to reduce, but overall the Kyoto Protocol was not successful. Question 25 was about CFCs. I thought that I had written down in my notes that CFCs were in pesticides, but they are not. I misread my notes, I guess. Question 26 was about El Nino. I misread the question and the answer choices when answering this for the first time. I did not see choice C, or the answer said it was associated with warmer ocean temperatures. But I knew that choice A was correct. I totally did not see choice C. So the correct answer is E, A and C. This picture here demonstrates what a typical El Nino year would look like. Question 27 was about the Montreal Protocol. The Montreal Protocol, according to my notes, addressed the issue of ozone depletion because of the CFCs. I was looking for that on the test, and I didn't see that, so I thought that what I had was correct, but I understand now that it was addressing ozone depletion. Question 29 was about outdoor air pollution. When I took the test, I did not understand this, but VOx always lead to a higher, it always increases pollution no matter what. In our notes, when we talked about VOCs, or VOCs, we did not talk much about what examples were. But now I know that benzene is not an example. So when I take the AP test, I should look for benzene not being an example. Question 40 was just about general pollution, more air based, but I did not understand this question. But when I reread the answer choices, choice E, or indoor pollution from the ground level ozone, is much worse than the ozone levels up higher. And that makes sense, that all the other choices, when I went back and read them, did not. The last question that I missed was question 43. It was again about general air pollution, and I should have known this, but the air pollutant that interferes with the ability for hemoglobin or the blood and oxygen the hemoglobin to transport oxygen was carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. I should have known that, but I did not.